How lovely is your dwelling place, O Lord. How lovely is your dwelling place, O Lord of hosts. The sparrow herself found a home, and the swallow a nest for herself, where she places her young near your altars, Lord of hosts, my King and my God.